Good morning, students. Sairam. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well in your studies. So, students, welcome you all in our next session of online classes. Students, we have already completed the 10 chapters of business studies, class 12th. Now, we will continue in this video the second part of 11th chapter, which is marketing management. Students, we have already completed some topics like the meaning of meaning of marketing, features of marketing, what can be marketed, functions of marketing, meaning of marketing management, selling and marketing difference, marketing management philosophies. Now, in this video, we are going to continue the remaining topics of the chapter. The topic is marketing mix and its elements, which are product, price, place and promotion. So, what is the meaning of marketing management? Let's review what is the meaning of marketing management. It is a process of analyzing, planning, implementing, coordinating and controlling programs. Okay, so what is the marketing management? It is the art and science of choosing target market and keeping and growing customers through creating, delivering and communicating superior customer values. Okay, students, now the topic is marketing mix. Students, first of all, you have to understand what is a marketing mix. The element which is required to promote the sale or to produce or create the demand among the customer is all those elements are known as marketing mix. So the definition or the meaning is to market or to sell its product successfully, a business must develop a strategy based on four key elements, and these four key elements are product, promotion, price and place. So these four P's are known as marketing mix. So in another way, how the elements are combined in the marketing strategy is known as marketing mix. Means how can we organize our elements, four P's: price, place, product and promotion, so that we increase our selling of product is known as marketing mix. There are four elements of marketing mix: product, price, place and promotion. So there are some questions which are related to these marketing elements. Like number one is, what is the product? What make our product unique? Means how can we, there are some questions which arises while thinking about our selling. That first one is product, that what is the product is, means what is our product and how we make our product different from the others so that the product sale will increase. So these are the two main question comes under if we're talking about the product mix or the product. Second one is price. So what is the value of product to the buyer? The first question arises when we fixing the price of the product, that what is the value of products to the buyer. Second question arises, is the price comparable to the price of similar product? So these are two questions which comes under when we thinking about the fixing of their price. Third one is place. So what are the best distribution channel? Means how can we distribute our product? How can we distribute our product? So there are many ways, like if the manufacturer directly sell their product to the customer, or if there is any mediator or any retailer. So these are some channel of distribution which comes under the place. Means how can we distribute products to the from the production point to the to the consumer's point. So these are some questions which arises if we thinking about its place. And Next question is also arises, where can you find the potential buyer who has a potential to buy your product? Next question, next point is promotion mix, means what is the best channel of your marketing messages, means how can you promote your message, how can you advertise your messages, or how can you promote advertise your product so that the people aware about your product and go and purchase your product. So these are some questions which comes under, if we talk about the 4 P's or 4 marketing mix. Student, this chapter is very huge, so step by step we will continue. First is product mix. First the part of the marketing mix is product mix. Okay, so in this video I give you the I will give you the introduction of the product mix. Okay, first of all we have to understand what is product. So student, what is product? Before starting product mix, I will explain you what is a product. So student, anything that can be offered to the market for attention, for acquisition, for use, or for consumption that might satisfy a want or need is known as product. Means anything that fulfill the demand of a customer is known as product. So student, what is the product mix? The first P, what I already said that there are 4 P's which comes under the marketing mix. Number 1 is product mix. So we are going through this marketing product. So product mix means it consists of all the product lines, items that a particular seller that offer for sale. Example, P&G's product mix consists of 3 major product line like detergent, soap, shampoos. So what is this? This is a product mix. Now the next question which arises, that what are the classification of product, means how can we classify our product? So product can be classified into 2 groups. Number 1 is consumer group and second one is industrial or producer good. Consumer goods are having 4 parts: convenience product, shopping product, specialty product, unwholesome or unsorted product. Same as in industrial goods or producer goods are also having parts like installation, accessories, equipment, component part and material, raw materials, supply, MRO items. Now this is some example of consumer product like convenience goods like candy, soda, newspaper, milk, disposable camera, gasoline, etc. Now some shopping goods like car, furniture, home appliances, computer, electrical and electronic goods. So next, unsorted goods like blood donation, cemetery plot, insurance, long-term health care, etc. Specialty goods like Rolex watches, Ferrari cars, Lexus and all luxurious cars. So these are some examples of consumer product. Next one is business product, or we can say that industrial and producer products. Number 1 is installation, means the things which we require to the installation of any machinery like oil rig, Boeing 7E7 regional shopping center are some example of this installation. Business services like Wagon Hut, Rider, Pink Curtains and MRO supplies example are Xerox, Scotch tape, copy paper, staples, post-its, etc. Raw material like soya, milk, poultry, bauxite, cotton. Accessory equipment like Canon copiers, T-Mobile cell phones, BlackBerry handheld computers, and component product like computer chips, truck beds, jet engines, lawn equipment. So these are the example of business product. I hope you all will understand what are the classification of product. Okay, now product decision. If we talk about the product, then there are some decisions which we have to take if we make our product more superior. So first step is product attribute, and after selecting the product, the next step is to branding, means which brand we have to take. And after branding, the next step is packaging, means what is the packaging, what is the overlook of our product, how can we save our product. Next is labeling. Labeling means printing all the information related to that product, and after that, product support services. So this is the three main component or element of product mix which we will continue. Okay, the number one is branding. Branding means a brand is a name, term, sign, symbol or design or a combination of these that identifies that the maker or seller of a product or services. So what is a brand? Brand may be a sign, symbol or any design which you put on our product. Second is packaging. Packaging means the designing and producing the container or a wrapper of product which keeps our product safe. So this is a packaging. Next main thing which comes under the product is labeling, means printed information appearing on or with the package. So what is this? This is a labeling. So students, these three components of product mix, like branding, packaging and labeling, this is a very vast topic. So we will continue step by step in our next videos. Okay student, so this is the overview of product mix, means one part of marketing mix which is product mix. So these are some element of that product mix, and its explanation we will continue in our next video. Thank you, Sairam.